are tackling the attractions of Denver that can be covered in a single day via a free public walk tour.
The attractions we are going to see today are Colorado State Capitol Building, Denver Art Museum, Denver City Hall, US Mint Denver facility, and last but not the least, 16th Street Mall.
Our journey's origin was at the Colorado State Capitol building, shining with majestic glory. It was the starting point of our tour throughout this beautiful city. In its surroundings is the Denver Civic Center Park, a vast green lush space, a great place to relax and enjoy. The next stop is the Denver City Hall, filled with neoclassical architecture, also known as the City and County Building. It stands grandly greeting visitors. A main attraction filling the streets everywhere you see is the abstract and innovative public art. It simply catches your eye wherever you go, making you stop and glance at them. Up next was the Denver Art Museum, by far one of the highlights for any tourist to visit. Here you can see at a glance the amazing artwork and other places featured there. But do visit in person to get the best experience for yourself. Within the depths of the museum lay the Ganesha's space, a shrine and tribute displaying the holy god at his finest. Now let's head forward to downtown. The here for us a great look into the inner workings of the United States Minting Service. Mall is Denver's top tourist attraction. There are more than 40 dining establishments and over 300 retail locations throughout the 16th Street Mall. There are free shuttle available to hop on and hop off to any stop you desire to visit in 16th Street.